Psychology fact about love and human behavior. Comedians and funny people are actually more depressed than others. We automatically perceive people who smell good as more attractive. Don't let anyone know too much about you. The more they know you, the more they will take the advantage of you. People with different colored eyes are more likely to be attracted to each other. People who are in a bad mood spend more time searching social media for people who are doing worse than they are. Listening to sad music when you're sad can actually stabilize your mood and make you happier. The most powerful way to win an argument is by asking questions. It can make people see the flaws in their logic. People are much more likely to return a missing wallet if a picture of a child is found inside. Karma says, we never understand the real value of someone until that someone becomes a memory. People are so quick to judge others' faults, but never quick to point out their own. Missing someone often can cause insomnia. The frustration of being without that person keeps you awake at night. Talkative girls and silent boys make the best couples. Psychologists have found that whenever you're in a bad mood, you can feel better just by forcing yourself to smile. There is probably someone out there who thinks you're the most amazing person in the world, and you just don't know it. About 159,635 people will die on the same day as you. A crush only lasts for a maximum of 4 months. If it exceeds, you're already in love. When someone is not right for you, you will continuously get hurt until you are strong enough to let them go. Intelligent people tend to care less about the opinions of others. They also enjoy being alone because of great sense of self. Dirty hands are a sign of clean money. Respect those people who earns less but with honesty. Your brain will perform better when you believe you've slept well, even if you haven't. Behavior is always greater than knowledge. Because in life there are many situations where knowledge fails but behavior can still handle. Listening to music is one of the few activities that utilizes the entire brain. Philophobia describes a person who fears falling in love, refuses to open up and allow anyone close enough to hurt them. Never judge someone without knowing the whole story. You may think you understand, but you don't. Yellow color stimulates brightness, energy, creativity, and intelligence. Attractive people are perceived as more intelligent even if they're not. This is called the halo effect. Our brains have a negativity bias and will remember negative memories more than good ones. This helps us to better protect ourselves. People who understand sarcasm well often are good at reading people's mind. We kan unretsnadem seed uppstnesins as inog as the isat and fursida trees of dros are in krokoet plakes. A woman will never want sex with a man who doesn't get her hints. Being alone weakens your body, having friends strengthens your body. Never avoid the person who loves you truly. Because nowadays it's hard to get a true love. Knowledge will give you power, but good character will give you respect. Don't talk or be with each other all day long. Too much of anything is bad for relationship. A person who truly loves you will never let you go or give up on you, no matter how hard the situation is. A relationship means you come together to make each other better. Support each other. Build each other. Believe in each other. Be their peace, not their problem. Love is when nothing is okay and everything is hurting you a lot, but still you want the same person over and over again. Being called baby has a positive effect on the female brain, causing instant emotional stress relief. Life is beautiful. 1 day, 1 hour and 1 minute will not come again in your entire life. So avoid fights, angriness, and speak lovely to every person. When an intoxicated person is talking, 65% of whatever she says is true. If you have a tough decision to make, flip a coin. Not to decide for you, but you'll realize what you really want when it's in the air. Misophonia is a condition in which you are easily annoyed or angered by little things, such as a person who eats or breathes too loudly. Be a good person, but do not waste time to prove it. Psychopaths can be very successful human predators. They are unguided by conscience, have complete lack of empathy, and no loyalty to others. However, they are not psychotic or cognitively impaired. Search for a beautiful heart. Not necessarily a beautiful face. Beautiful people are not always good. But good people are always beautiful. People think that to be strong is to never feel pain. But in reality, the strongest people are the ones who feel it but get through it. A good morning kiss can help prevent against stress-related illness. It triggers hormones that help a person deal with pressure. People with sarcastic personalities tend to be more honest with their friends.